何々に代わって or 何々に代わり。The grammar of 何々に代わって or 何々に代わり is mean that instead of or replacing or on behalf of something. So in Japanese, when you use the grammar of 何々に代わり or 何々に代わって you can use with the noun, but actually in noun here it means the person. The person, the name of the person, something like this. And after that you can follow by nikawatte or you can use nikawari. It just has the same meaning such as instead of or on behalf of or replacing, right? Something like this. So don't be confused when you see nani nani ni kawatte or ni kawari. It just has the same meaning. But actually, the grammar of ni kawari or ni kawatte, they actually use with the noun of the person. They don't use with the thing, such as dog, cat, or table, something like this. The next, we are going to see some example. The first example, 弟は母に代わってご飯を作った。弟は母に代わってご飯を作った。Which means that my little brother make dinner instead of my mom. My little brother make dinner instead of my mom. The next example. 部長に代わり、私は会議に参加しました。部長に代わり、私は会議に参加しました。Which means that I participate in the meeting instead of my manager. I participate in the meeting instead of my manager. For the first sentence, that we see that they will use noun with the kawatte. Our noun in here is mean haha, right? Haha is mean mom, my mom. Haha ni kawatte is mean instead of my mom. Gohanを作った this mean home and cook dinner, right? Cook dinner, so my little brother. And for the second sentence is they use bucho, which is mean manager, right? Bucho ni kawari is mean bucho is mean my manager instead of my manager, right? I participate in the meeting. So actually they use with the person, right? Haha, Gigi, Ototo, right? Oni-san, right? Or Mr. Tanaka, Tanaka-san, Watanabe-san, Bucho, Kacho, Shacho, something like this. Let's see the next example. 来週の出張は大阪に代わって京都に行くことになりました。来週の出張は大阪に代わって京都に行くことになりました。Which means that the next week's business trip was changed from Osaka to Kyoto. The next week's business trip was changed from Osaka to Kyoto. In this sentence, that you see that they will use the city, right? Osaka city, right? So in this they use the chain, right? Chain from Osaka to Kyoto. So Osaka に代わって which means the chain from Osaka. 京都に行くことになりました。which means the chain from Osaka to Kyoto. The next example. ただいま山田が外出しておりますので、山田に代わりまして私が対応させていただきます。ただいま山田が外出しておりますので、山田の代わりまして私が対応させていただきます。Which means that Mr. Yamada is currently out of the office. So please allow me to deal with it instead. Mr. Yamada is currently out of the office, so please allow me to deal with it instead. This sentence you see that they will use the name of the person, right? Yamada ni kawarimashite, which means instead of Mr. Yamada, right? 私が対応させていただきます which means I will deal with it instead. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。